Pakistan has the floor.
Thank you, Madam President. My delegation has been obliged to take the floor and respond to the statement made by Indian representative today. It is revolting to hear that those who peddle hatred, intolerance and bigotry, those who raise slogan of blood and soil, reminding us of a dark chapter in modern history, and those who are running a fascist regime are preaching others about human rights today. It is if a convicted felon who has been caught red-handed begins to impeach a judge. This deluded criminal mindset pervades Indian leadership today, which has chosen to look away from truth and reality. Sadly, the present Indian leadership are lifelong members of RSS, a fascist organization whose hands are drenched with the blood of not just India's leader, Mr. Gandhi, but also thousands of innocent Muslims in Gujarat. Under patronage of its evil prodigy, the RSS-BJP combine is lynching minorities, destroying their worship places, restricting religious conversions, and depriving them of their very basic right of citizenship. All of this is being done to make India a Hindu Rashtra, a pure Hindu state. And those who peacefully protest against these blatant human rights violations are violently crushed into silence by RSS goons and terrorists under the full patronage of police and civil administration. Madam President, unfortunately, this contempt and disrespect for rule of law does not end here. India, through its fraudulent and unilateral action of 5th August 2019, wants to alter the demography of Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, about which the UN Security Council has adopted more than 10 resolutions. This willful violation of the Council's resolutions smacks of double standards and hypocrisy. The two Security Council's meetings held since 5th August have resoundingly debunked Indian hollow assertions of Kashmir being an internal issue. Madam President, the hard fact remains that it has been over 200 days of complete lockdown in IOJK, where Indian forces have resorted to use of brute force, arbitrary detentions and imprisonment, extrajudicial killings and torture to suppress the brave Kashmiri people. It is a sheer denial that India continues to blow the trumpet of normalcy when human rights machinery, international media, civil society are regularly documenting the reports of abuses in Kashmir. To dismay, there are choreographed visits only. These have exposed the sad truth before the international community.
Gracias.
Thank you.